All right, we are getting ready to get our pumpkin chocolate chip cookies mixed up. I love to put mini chocolate chips into my pumpkin cookies. My kids love these. I have been making these for years, like literally years, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that in just a second once I get this butter. So we're gonna start with 1/4 of a stick of butter. So see this recipe? This is my recipe that I go off of, and it's so faded. Thank goodness I have the recipe memorized. And see, I even have this little hole of paper that I have to poke back up and place it, and it's still kind of tore, but anyway, I need to write this out. So, all right, we're gonna keep going. So we're gonna start with 1/4 cup, and then we're gonna do 1 cup of sugar. And at this point, we're gonna turn the mixer on, and I'll be right back, and we're gonna mix this up. Okay, you're gonna mix your sugar and butter till it's just a soft crumble, and then we're going to go over and we're going to add our pumpkin. And in this bowl, I have put 1 cup of pumpkin. So when I make this for my kids and my grandkids and my family and friends, I like triple this recipe, okay? Because everybody loves, loves, loves these pumpkin cookies. So we're gonna put that in, and then we're gonna beat it up a little bit. To my pumpkin, my sugar, my butter, gonna add 1 egg. And I'm just gonna drop it all in there, okay? We're gonna add an egg, we're gonna mix. Okay, when you get to this point, this is what I do. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. And in this bowl is, let me double check my recipe, but yes, 2 cups of flour, okay? We're gonna put a little bit in, and then we're gonna just mix it. I put like maybe half of it, okay? And once you do that, then you can start throwing everything else in, okay? Actually, it's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, okay? A teaspoon of vanilla right in there. And if you can use the Mexican vanilla, it is so, so yummy. So some of you may like crushed cloves, some of you may not. You can omit that if you like and just put a little bit extra nutmeg in there, because it calls for nutmeg and cinnamon and cloves. And it's all your wonderful fall flavors. I choose to omit the cloves because I'm not a big cloves fan, but you can put that in there. And then when I do a teaspoon of cinnamon, the recipe calls for, I make like a heaping teaspoon of cinnamon because I'm a cinnamon lover. So I put that in. And in place of the cloves, you could put 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice in it. I use that a lot, okay? And then we're gonna do baking powder, baking soda, okay? And I'm gonna mix that, and then I'm gonna add the rest of my flour, and then we're gonna add our chocolate chips, and we're gonna bake us some yummy, yummy pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, okay? So once this is mixed, I'll be back and I'll show you how we're gonna put them on the cookie sheet and get them baked. Okay, we are back and we are all mixed. Look at this yummy dough. This is amazing. So you can use any brand of mini chocolate chips you would like. I use the semi-sweet, and I put just about an entire, actually I will put an entire bag because I love the chocolate chips in it. So we're gonna mix that up, and we are gonna put some cookies on the cookie sheet, and we're gonna bake these. They make your house smell so good, you guys. I love fall. Fall is my absolute favorite time of year. 3 out of 4 of my children were born in the fall. They were born in October. Actually, I have an October 19th as my youngest son, and then I have twins that were born October 23rd. So they're a few days apart from each other, 3 out of 4 kids. So birthday time is fun stuff. Okay, you're just gonna stir in those mini chocolate chips, and it's a kind of a softer cookie dough, okay? Then we are going to put them on our cookie sheet. And I just kind of drop them. They are kind of, I call them my blobby cookies, okay? I don't even know if that's a word, blobby. But this is what you're gonna do. You can make them good size. These are more of a cake-like pumpkin cookie, and they are amazing, amazing. But you just keep putting them out. Just kind of judge them, make sure they're all about the same size. And these are gonna bake in a 350 oven. I would start looking at them at about 8 minutes, and they could go as long as 12 that first 2 batches. It seems that the oven heats up, so keep an eye on your ovens, and depending on how it is, it could be anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes for these cookies. All right, we'll be back when they come out of the oven. All right, look at these yummy cookies. Okay, I love these because they bake up. Look how thick they are. And they are so yummy and moist. These just came out of the oven. They've been sitting for about 10, 12 minutes to cool. But look at that. They are so good. So sometimes I'll bag these up, 2 to a bag, because they are big and yummy and thick, and tie a little cute little bow on them and give them as a treat, okay? So I want you to enjoy having fun in the kitchen. Enjoy it. And fall is my favorite time of year. So try these cookies. The pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, you will love them. And I'm gonna take a bite right now and show you how yummy they are. I wish you had smell-o-vision. They smell so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are delicious. So please make these. Most of all, thank you for coming and joining us and watching our videos. We really appreciate it. We really do. I hope you're enjoying these recipes, these cookies I've made for at least 30 plus years. So I've been making them a long time, and my family loves them, and my friends. So enjoy, share, and remember, every day is not going to be a good day, but there is good in every day. So make some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies and go find the good and share them.